Hello, friends. It's Miss Julie from Miss Julie's Virtual Preschool and Crafts. I'm here today to talk to you about the letter H. Oh, yes, letter H. Letter H is a wonderful letter in our alphabet. It comes after letter G, and I am going to show you some stuff that starts with letter H. And you can learn the H sound. So the first thing that starts with letter H is hand. So let's try putting up our hand by our mouth and going ha, ha, because that is a sound that H makes. You can feel the breath on your hand. Ha, 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 H, ha, hand. Good job, friends. Okay. So I have some letter H items I found around my house. Did you hear that? I just said the H sound. That was house. House does start with letter H. See the letter H there? That is not the big H like I held up. This is the small or lowercase h in the word house. Great job. Okay, so that was one thing I had a picture of. Letter H. I also have an animal. Do you know what this is? Yes, it's a hippopotamus. The word hippopotamus starts with letter H. H for hippopotamus. Where would you see a hippopotamus? At the zoo, yes. You won't find one in your backyard. No, nobody can have a pet of a hippo. But you can go see them at the zoo. I also have a heart. The shape of heart starts with the letter H. Yes, I bet you could draw a heart on a paper. Practice drawing a heart for someone you love. Great job. Let's see what else is in my basket. Oh, I see something else. I see this. What is this? What is this? It's a horse. Horse also starts with the letter H. Yes. All right. I have 3 more cards here. You could find this one in your garage. Maybe an adult used to use this to fix things. It's called a hammer. Hammer. See, hammer also starts with the lowercase letter H. Great. And then here's something you would do to someone in your family or a friend. You would give them a hug. Yes, they must be friends. Hug starts with letter H too. And here's something you would try and to put in your tea or maybe your muffins. It's called honey. Honey is sweet like sugar. And the word honey starts with letter H. Great job. So I want you guys to go around your house and look for letter H, the capital or the lowercase, in your books and on your toys and maybe on your computer, and find the letter H and find things that start with letter H. You can do it. I know you can. And you know what? I know one song that I want to sing for you before we end with the letter H, and it's one you know. If you're happy and you know it. Yes. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Ooh, if you're happy and you know it, tap your head. If you're happy and you know it, tap your head. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, tap your head. If you're happy and you know it, say goodbye, goodbye, friends. If you're happy and you know it, say goodbye, goodbye, friends. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, say goodbye, goodbye, friends. See you next time. Thank you for watching Letter H.